Hello viewers, apnikan saya NLTV. Moi saranchimi himjoy khobar ten ka chunai dibo. Nagaland's healthcare recruitment policy day dangor chamilao laikina ase kilimane Nagaland Medical Student Association NMSA kan ke medical and allied health aspirants pra join kurigina aji Kohima de peaceful sit-in protest rakhishi Department of Health and Family Welfare Day. Idulaga protesto Sorkar laga August 18 notification ge strongly oppose kurigina loa sekure 280 contractual posts ke regularize kuribo kwapichidi hoishi dade 98 class 1 candidate medical officers junior specialists kan shamil ase kun kan ge COVID-19 laga time de appoint gorishe NMSA pra idu katam ge unconstitutional aro biased madishi aro idu faisla ge Nagaland Health Service Rules 2006 laga violation matishi NMSA pra kuishi ge idu faisla bra Nagaland Public Service Commission ge bypass kuridishi juntu bra meritocracy constitutional rights aro recruitment norms ke khotam kurishe Association bra warning dishi ki inika faisla bra healthcare laga quality kiri jabo aro future recruitment day dictar anibo kuishe NMSA pra demand kurishi ki idu order phat se wapas lulubi aro sob post ke NPSC NSSP laga through open exam aro viva bra recruit kurble kuishe IB to laga board details saisbo
What do we want? What do we want? We want justice. We want justice. We want justice. We demand. We demand. We demand. No more. No more. No more. We demand. We demand. We demand. Our right. Our right. Our right. Our right. Our right. Our right. No. 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 What do we want? What do we want?
The order was released on 18 August, right? And then there it was said that on 27, 28, I think it's the medical fitness test, and then 30 May interview, right? 30 May. But then that also, it was mentioned that will be announced soon, will be initiated soon. So we were not aware whether, because who would judge a medical fitness? We would not, like, if they had a medical test which was on 27 and 28, 27 and 28, then we were fine with it now. But then even in the interview, there was no date specifically written that it will be on this date and on this date only. But then through our information from from other people only, we got to know that the interview was going to be conducted, and then that's why we are today, we the Nagaland Medical Student Association, we came up with a protest. It's a very sensitive thing, okay, this one. Plus it's not like we were not aware also. We were analyzing everything that was going on now, how it was being conducted, why is it being conducted, and then why what do you say, this one, the dates have been announced so early, 1 week after now. So it's not like we were wasting our time. We were just analyzing, because it's not that both of us only, it's a collective decision. So we were taking meetings after meetings after meetings, because something or the other came up, something or the other, new issue, something like that. Because this is not the only issue we are covering up. There are lots of issues right now in our medical fraternity, especially in the student association. That's why it's not like we didn't ignore, but then day after day we had our meeting. That's why we could not act on 18th or 19th, if you're saying that. But then, regardless of whatever it may be, this regularization, as I've stated before, it should not happen. Be it interview, because it's a class 1 gazetted officer. So I think we all know that whatever it may be, the highest ranking of a something officer is a class 1 gazetted in our Nagaland. So if this goes through the departmental works, then I think meritocracy has lost its value in our state. So that's what I would like to say.
But
Yes, yes, we are aware about that court order and we have gone through that court verdict also. But one thing we need to be sure here is that in that court verdict, the court has not issued any direction. There was no direction. It was just that the court has said that this case was dismissed. So we have equal rights. We have 50-50. Okay, we have equal rights. We can still go for protest. And one thing, I'm saying it again, the court has not issued any direction. The court has not said the government that you can go ahead with regularization or you can proceed with that regulation, conduct examination. The court has not said that. The court has just said that this case was dismissed without any direction. That's why we're here.
so you know from that.
Yes, there is no direction. Only the court case was just dismissed. That's
So
it.
have you tried?
We are trying to appeal for it.
You are trying to. Or you are
Yeah,
already
yes,
appealed?
yes, we are appealing.
You have not submitted the appeal as of now.
First, we have submitted, and next week again we will. The confirmation we will be getting is next week only. On the next week, okay.
So your appeal has not yet been admitted. You mean to say?
Yes, so far no.
If the government is not going to give in to your demands, what alternative or what solution are you demanding from the government?
We will exercise our democratic rights, and we will continue with the protest, along with our executives, with our members, and also our parents' association. Yeah.
I think this one regarding this, our alternative. I think there is no alternative. Let's be fair. Our government is so corrupt that they will not be able to create a post for us. I am sure. As I've stated before, from 2015 to 2024, only 61 MO posts. So supposedly, if this 280 gets regularized, are we certain? I am certain that the government will not be releasing for another 5-10 years, because we have seen enough, we have heard enough, and we have suffered enough to know that. So that's why I think, and recently also in the education department also with the scandal, I think we have learned our lesson, and then there is no alternative. That post should be regularized to NPAC, and then we should all be given a equal and fair chance to sit and write the exam. That's the only alternative that we can go for.
Do you think that this protest will bring about the change that you want? If not, like, what's your next step? What's your next?
I mean, we being in a democratic country, I think this is the what do you say, the most purest form of how we can show our democracy. So if we cannot achieve our demands through this format, then I don't know what other format we can go to. I think if we cannot achieve our rights or our whatever we want to through this, then I think in our state democracy has failed us. So that's all.
Here's one thing. From starting, like I've said before, from 2015 to 2024, there were only 61 MBBS MO seats advertised. If we think in the other way, if they could have advertised more than that, maybe few hundreds, 200, 300s, who knows, we could have combat this COVID also, because there would be more doctors. But they advertised only 61 posts during this 2015 to 2014. Because of that, they have to come up with a solution. That's why this COVID appointees was done. But it doesn't mean that tan ekla kam kurane COVID te na moila seniors itebe ase tan seniors ase tan final year tak pi thakse Nagaland Medical Council pra tan ya mache aina kam kurse tan. What about them? What about my respected seniors doctors who work in private sectors? What about my respected seniors doctors who work outside the state? Tan bi agun thakse do, but there was interstate restriction bi thakse. Problem thakse. COVID te do apnan bi jane ase ki kina problem laise itu so problem laise aro visit state te available itu to problem ekta thakse. So cases in ase, so we can ekta like emotionally low na paro itu na, we can take this emotionally. Itu to man realistic low lage aro ki hole bi this post, this is a class 1 gazetted officer post, so it should be only through NPC, not through departmental screening. And like I've said, COVID doctors to bishi ase tan 98 doctors ekla noy, 280 doctors, 280 la medical allied courses tan ekla noy, mon seniors khan ase, mon la moila senior moila injula sati khan pe ase tan bi kam kurshi do, private te kam kurshi tan final years te takshi itu tak pe machi government pra aina kam kurshi tan. aro alak state pe kam korche. Why not them? Why only specific to 280 COVID appointees? Na, that's all I want to say.
Nagaland te thakia public khan nelibi ita government ke apne an bi ki message diu mona jara.
Like itu to free and fair, sob ke equal opportunity diwa lage. Aro ki holebi itu la government order. Utu August 18 de dishe utu la itu to ki hole revoke kora lage. Aro itu la exam to only through NPC 100% through NPSC conduct kora lage, not through departmental screening. That's our demand.
Ijani bije khobor mani ase haringa news or updates kan bai thikbili site thikbi NLTV.
Nagaland TV, Sop Manulaga Awas. Watch us live on Geo TV and on your television sets as well. For Dimapur viewers, we are on channel number 994 in Global Chapter, and Kohima and Mokokchung viewers, switch to channel number 138 on Hornbill Digital. For all news and updates, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube and Twitter.